Machu Picchu is an ancient Inca citadel located high in the Andes Mountains of Peru. It is one of the most famous and breathtaking archaeological sites in the world. Here are some key facts about Machu Picchu. History: Machu Picchu was built by the Inca Emperor Pachacuti in the 15th century, around 1450 AD. It was likely used as a royal estate or a religious retreat for the Inca rulers. Location: Machu Picchu is situated at an elevation of approximately 2,430 meters, 7,970 feet, above sea level, in the Cusco region of Peru, above the Urubamba River Valley. Architecture: the site is renowned for its impressive stone construction, featuring perfectly cut and fitted stones without the use of mortar. The architecture demonstrates advanced engineering skills of the Inca civilization. Purpose: while the exact purpose of Machu Picchu remains a subject of scholarly debate, it is believed to have served as a religious, ceremonial, and administrative center for the Inca elite. Rediscovery: Machu Picchu was abandoned by the Incas in the 16th century, and its existence was largely forgotten by the outside world. It was rediscovered by American historian Hiram Bingham in 1911. UNESCO World Heritage Site: Machu Picchu was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983, recognizing its cultural significance and outstanding universal value. Intihuatana: one of the prominent structures in Machu Picchu is the Intihuatana, often referred to as the hitching post of the sun. It is believed to have had astronomical and ceremonial significance for the Incas. Tourism: Machu Picchu has become one of the most visited tourist destinations in the world. Tourists can explore the ruins and take in the breathtaking views of the surrounding Andes Mountains. Preservation: due to the high number of visitors, there are ongoing efforts to preserve and protect Machu Picchu from the impact of tourism and potential environmental threats. Inca Trail: many visitors reach Machu Picchu by hiking the Inca Trail, a famous and challenging trek that takes several days and follows ancient Inca pathways through the Andes. Machu Picchu's stunning setting, enigmatic history, and architectural marvels make it a truly mesmerizing and awe-inspiring destination. It remains a testament to the achievements of the Inca civilization and continues to capture the imagination of travelers from all corners of the globe.